In a two-set Venn diagram, there are a total of 4 regions. Region 1, where the two circles overlap. Region 2, 3, and 4. In solving problems involving two sets diagram, it is important where to get your answer. Get your answer in region 1 for keywords A and B, both A and B. That means the intersection of the two sets. Example, both action and suspense. Get your answer in region 2 for keywords A only, A but not B. Example, action only or action but not suspense. Now get your answer in region 3 for the keywords B only, B but not A. Example, suspense only or suspense but not action. Now, where to get your answer if the keyword is neither A nor B? That is region 4. Example, neither action nor suspense. So you get your answer outside the circles or for this kind of question. Now, for the keywords A or B, either A or B, that means you have to get the union of the two sets. So add the regions 1, 2, and 3, or add the cardinality in the regions 1, 2, and 3. 4 plus 4 plus 6 is 14. Now add the regions 1 and 2 or inside the circle A. The keyword here is there is no the word only. Unlike in this keyword A only. This time, there is no word only. Example, how many students have a preference of action? Action, that means you have to add all the numbers inside this circle action, 4 plus 4. Same with this problem. You have to add the regions 1 and 3. The keyword is that there is no word only or there is no restriction. There is no back. Example, how many students have a preference of suspense? So you have to add 4 and 6. 4 and 6. So I hope all is clear to you where you will get your answer in these 4 regions or where to add the cardinality of sets in the diagram. Let us try this example. A group of 41 students was asked whether they use either Facebook or Twitter or both. How many use Facebook? This question has no restriction. How many use Facebook? Saan kukuhanin ng sagot? Sa region 1, region 2, Region 3, Region 4, or kailangan ba nating i-add ang Region 1 and 2, Region 1 at 3, or Region 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So again, going back to the question, how many use Facebook? So there is no restriction. So to get your answer by adding 20 and 8. So inside the circle Facebook. So there are 28 students. Second question, how many use Facebook only? Now there is restriction. Facebook only. Facebook only. That means Facebook but not Twitter. So get your answer in this region. That is 20. Now try this. How many use Twitter only? Correct. That is 13. Walang i-add na number because there is restriction because of the word only. Next, how many use Facebook and Twitter? Remember the word bot and bot, that means get your answer in the intersection of the two sets. So that is 8. Correct. Let us have this problem. The same problem but different given. 13 to 10. How many use Facebook only? Correct. 13 students. There is restriction. How many use Twitter only? Correct. 10 students. How many use both Facebook and Twitter? Both Facebook and Twitter. Yes, it is 2, the intersection.